What I liked best about the Restore Your Balance retreat was that it did have so many elements. It felt like a really balanced retreat, from amazing food to really gentle, calming yoga to this amazing Yoga Nidra and a mindful walk through nature. It all together became this deep experience of peace and a very nurturing environment to just come back to a chill state of being.
My only real intention going was to literally give myself permission to just relax and let things go. It's really hard for myself to do that, and I know it's hard for a lot of other people, so having that safe space to do it just felt, it was so good.
I felt kind of stressed out because of work, and I honestly didn't even know it.
I was feeling overwhelmed before the retreat with too many responsibilities and feeling the pull of all those work requests and stress from work.
For someone that didn't know anything about it, which was kind of like me, I think that the main thing is just relax. It's actually, you don't need to be an expert to come in and enjoy the benefits of this program.
There's a part of myself that I tend to ignore when I'm not listening. I really was able to check in with that and tune into that small voice inside of me that needed to tell me some things that I had been skimming over previously.
Different practices that took place, the slow movements that we learned, to the delicious vegan meal that was prepared for us, to the tea time meditation, which was one of my favorites, just really being present. And also just having the walk and the time to journal and connect, to release, to give myself permission to cry if I needed to give myself permission to laugh hysterically, even if it made no sense.
After the retreat, I felt like I had slept for a long time. I just felt deeply rested.
Well, I made some pretty drastic changes in my life after this retreat. And I have to say, I believe this retreat was a catalyst in me being able to delve deeper into those changes, getting closer toward my authentic self and what I want in my life, and saying no to the things that were keeping me from that part of myself.
I've never had such good sleep. I literally slept 12 hours after.
If you're looking to relax, recharge, just check in with yourself. When was the last time you did something for yourself? And how much have you invested in yourself lately?